So in the big crash that we had on Friday evening, Atom literally went to zero. Yes, this is not a joke. It actually went to zero. It went to a tenth of a cent. So basically, obviously borderline as close to zero as you can get. But in terms of monetary value, of course, it went below a cent. So that's, the lowest form of value that we can measure in terms of dollars. So yeah, absolutely unbelievable what happened to Atom. Literally went to zero on the Binance chart, and as you can see, just the velocity of this sell-off. Of course, throughout the day it was down a little bit more, but if you go from this hourly candle, it literally went, you know, teetering on minus 99.999 or whatever the largest value we could possibly get from this is, but it literally went to zero. Unbelievable stuff. And then, as you can see, it bounced back to the hourly candle just closing to minus 20%. Now, if we look at a different chart, say the Atom one on, you can see this is Bybit here. Atom actually only went down to $1.54. So this was a Binance issue. This was Atom going to zero on Binance, which is unbelievable. As you can see, the sell-off wasn't anywhere near as it was on the Binance chart. So yeah, incredible. And this is actually the same for a number of altcoins on Binance. The Binance book being a lot more thin, and obviously altcoins slipping a lot heavier on Binance over that flash crash, market sell-off, whatever you want to call it, on Friday. Yeah, unbelievable stuff. Altcoins genuinely going to zero.